Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, February 8th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile for the ES and SPY. Good day today as far as trading it, as far as seeing it. I think the algos were very accommodating today. Nice B shape. Now, let's keep in mind, B shape or not, it's still a double distribution day for ES, SPY, and Q. Righty does not have one. Righty goes out with a textbook B shape, 9 wide, and a nice afternoon rally high in H. Inside day. We all trade inside of yesterday's previous ranges. So very nice. NQ ends with 9 wide. I don't count N. 9 wide and a double distribution day with single print inside day. ES 9 wide, SPY 9 wide, and a double distribution day. Inside day unchanged value. So I have no problem with this. This is very healthy for the market as it consolidates in the daily. A very interesting level that we played at. So first off, here's Wednesday of Fed Day. We have not seen this level yet. This is still my firm line in the sand, which is around a 40.90 level. But look at today what we did all day. Yesterday, where did change attempt to take place, really? Yes, we had singles in D, but the market really tried to explode in G. It absolutely failed. We made a new low on the day, but then we went higher. Well, look where we stayed. Look where we traded all day. We attempted to get acceptance below that E high all day. Now, we traded below it a bunch of times, but never really stayed below it, and that's where our volume POC is. So to me, tomorrow, with this inside day, this is a level that you hope not to trade at a lot tomorrow, and then finally it gets rectified. So if buyers are still really in control of everything, we should maybe play around here for a little bit and then finally get acceptance above the lower distribution into the upper distribution. On the flip side, if sellers attempt to really take this inside day to the downside, well then they should fail at the 30 level. Take out yesterday's low, inside day down. Now remember, yesterday's low is the bottom of our balance on the daily. So if we come out of that to the downside, we're down. So the monthly and weekly would still be very healthy, but the daily would be back down and we'd be below last month's high again. So the inside month up for at least that time frame for now would have failed. So you see how important this level is? If sellers wrestle control of it tomorrow and take out yesterday's low, we're going to start changing some things a little bit. Inside month up would have failed, at least initially, and the daily goes back to down. But if the buyers are able to hold it, well, again, we're not coming out of balance if we take out yesterday's high. Our balance high is all the way here. But at least we would have defended that level and still be in balance on the daily. So tomorrow, my level is 41.30. Keep that in mind, okay? And then the bigger one is down at 40.90. So again, I had a good day. Believe it or not, I took a long right before the open at 9.29 and change to front run the overnight low, and it worked for a couple of points. After that, I took shorts all day, except an L period. So I did nothing else in A and B. There was nothing there for me. But C period, this is what I talk about, being a lion waiting in the grass, right? Don't run all over the place for your prey. Let it come to you. Well, a C period took out A's low, couldn't get back above the opening, game on. Started looking for nothing but shorts. So C period, D period. I had a total of 7 lots of shorts. Did very well on them as the market came in. E period, the tempo slowed. I didn't do anything. In fact, my next trade wasn't until G period, and I took it basically against the first set of single prints fill-in, which I got paid on. H period, scalp shorts twice there, and I was looking for it to fill the single prints. We just missed, but if we had filled them, I had some ammo lined up to short here at 50, again at 52, and again around 54. I was going to take some pretty good size there out above C because I did not think that they were going to go and get the day's high. So I never got it, but we had the right idea. Plus, we lead the trading room that way. We try to tell the room, Everything's in favor of the sellers. Don't get caught up in this momentum buying, thinking we're going to go make new highs on the day. That a lot of people get hurt looking for that, and that's what a big part of this room is, keeping them out of those trades. Then I shorted I period when we took the break of H twice. So again, I did 5, 7, 9, 13 lots, 13 E-mini shorts contracts today. Made on all of them. I made on one on the long before the opening, and then believe it or not, I took a long in L. Just about, not at the low of the day, but just off it. Because I told the room, after D period, there was no more energy to the downside. Yes, we held singles, but I just didn't think with the wide POC we were going to start gunning lower. So I just scalped a small long there for like 3 points and did okay. And that was it. So again, the purpose of this room is to educate and inform and to keep people out of trouble, not to follow my trades, but to know why they're taking their trades and what to look for. So, as far as destinations for tomorrow, we have today's 9 wide point of control, M's high of 411.17 in SPY, and then the single prints, H's high to A's low, 412.62 to 77, and then today's high of 414.53. For the downside, we have today's low of 40. I didn't write it down. Is it 409.93? Give me 1 second. Yep, 409.93 is today's low. And then there's nothing until yesterday's low of 407.57. And that's a real important one. That's the balance low. ES, upside, 9 wide at 34. Single prints, 48.50 to 49.75. Today's high of 68. For the downside in ES, we have today's low of, I didn't write down today's low either, did I? Boy, oh boy. I'm really shot. I apologize. We're going to do this live together. I have to put it back in ones. I totally forgot to write down today's low. Today's low in ES is 21.25. So, let's go to the charts real quick. So here's the monthly. The monthly's up, and right now it's an inside month up. It's still healthy. But I'm telling you that 30 level is going to play a huge part in ES tomorrow to determine whether the inside month up stays alive, at least for the short term. So right now the monthly is healthy. Weekly, firmly up, one time framing up, and it's an inside week so far, 3 days in. So we'll see how that plays out. Remember, we had an outside day up today, and it was yesterday, and it was an absolute failure for buyers. They could never, ever get acceptance back above the price probe. We opened below it and never saw it. So that was an outright failure. They don't always work. But for now, we have an inside week. The weekly is up, one time framing up for 6 weeks, including this week, even though it's inside. And the daily is in a 5-day balance, inside day. You come out of it, you go with it, and monitor for continuation or lack of. So to the downside, I'd be looking for shorts to take out the balance low. Above yesterday's high, I'd be looking for longs to at least start to go to test the balance high. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. I hope you had a great day trading. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.